dear students of class 9th. Welcome to maths class. Dear students, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 4, linear equations in two variable. In the previous chapter we already learned about the linear polynomial. What is linear polynomial? That is ax plus b in the highest power of the variable is equal to 1 is called linear polynomial. Now what is linear equation? Linear equation, when we put this linear polynomial is equal to 0, so this is called a linear equation, and linear equation in one variable because we are using only one variable here, that is x. So this is called the linear equation of one variable. What is the solution of the linear equation of one variable? We will find ax is equal to minus b, x is equals to minus b upon a. We will take another example. For example, 2x plus 2 is equal to 0. So from here we can find out the value of x. 2x is equal to minus 2 or x is equal to minus 1, and easily we can represent this value on the number line 0, minus 1, minus 2, 1 and 2. So this is the value of this linear equation, or we can say that the solution of this linear equation is equal to 1 here. Now, the linear equation in two variable ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is the standard form of the linear equation in two variable because we are using two variables here. And this is the linear equation because the power of x and y is equal to 1 here, and a and b are the coefficient of x and y, and c is the constant here. Okay students, now we have some question on it. Write these equation in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 and indicate the value of a, b and c. Here we have two linear equations. First is x minus 4 is equal to under root 3y, and the second one is 2x is equal to y. We have to write these two linear equation in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, that is in the standard form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. First of all, we will take this equation x minus 4 is equal to under root 3y. So in the standard equation we can see that all the terms are in the left hand side of the 0. So x minus under root 3 y minus 4 is equal to 0. But in the standard form we have positive sign. So x plus in bracket under root 3 y plus in bracket minus 4 is equal to 0. So what is the value of a? The coefficient of x is a, that is 1. B is equal to the coefficient of y, that is minus under root 3, and c is equal to minus 4 here. In the next question we have 2x is equal to y. So 2x minus y is equal to 0, or we can write 2x minus y plus 0 is equal to 0. So this is the standard equation, but here we have negative sign. So 2x plus minus 1 y plus 0 is equal to 0. So a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 1 here, and c is equal to, we have 0 here. Okay students? My dear students of class 9, here we have a question, that is write each of the following as an equation in two variables. We have two questions here. X is equal to minus 5 and 2x is equal to 3, and we need to write these two equations in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. In the two variable form we have to write these two equations. Now here we have only x is equals to minus 5, so we can write it x plus 5 is equal to 0, or we can write it x plus 0 multiplied by y plus 5 is equal to 0. So this is the equation in two variable. We have two variable here in which the value of the coefficient of y is equal to 0. And the second question, similarly, we can write 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. And again we can write 2x plus 0 multiplied by y minus 3 is equal to 0. Again this is the linear equation in two variable x and y. Okay students. Now we will learn about the solutions of a linear equation in two variable. Here we have a question x plus y is equal to 2. We need to find out the solution of this equation. Only one method we have here to find out the solution of this equation, that we will put the value of x and find out the value of y, or put the value of y or find out the value of x. If we put x is equal to 0 here, so what is the value of y? We are getting 2. If we put x is equal to 1 here, so the value of y we are getting 1. 1 in the minus here, 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. If we put x is equal to 2, then the value of y we are getting 0 here. Or if we put x is equals to minus 1, then the value of y we are getting 3 here. So we can see that we are putting the value of x and we are finding the value of y here. So at the infinite we can put the value of x and we can find the value of y here. So the solutions of a linear equation in two variable are infinitely, very infinitely. Many solutions we have here, so we can write we can see that, or we can say that x plus y is equal to 2 has infinitely many solutions. Or we can say that the linear equation in two variable has infinitely many solutions. The another question is here. What is this? For example, we have 2 points here, 0 and 2. And we need to find out that are these 2 points the solution of this equation. So what will we do? We will put these two values in this equation. This is the value of x and this is the value of y. While putting these two values in this equation, if LHS is equal to RHS, then we can say that this is the solution of this equation. 0, we will put the value of x here 0 and the value of y here we can put 2 is equal to 2. So 2 is equal to 2. So both LHS and RHS are equal. So we can say that 0, 2 is the solution of this equation. We can take another example. For example, 1 and 2 we are taking. So at the place of x we will put 1 and at the place of y we will put 2 is equal to 2. Here we have 3 is equal to 2. That means 3 and 2 are not equal. That means LHS and RHS are not equal. So this is not a solution of this equation. Okay students.